Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into LinkedIn account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.linkedin.com. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here, you'll have to enter your email address or phone number associated with your account and your valid password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Password link, or if you had used your Google account while creating an account, then click on Continue with Google option in order to log in. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Join Now option. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into LinkedIn account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.